Hello friends, I hope you're quite well, and here Mega Atom design bundle with 700 elements. These are PNG, JPG and PSD file. But first you need subscription for access on my all file. Go to sherryskpwd.com. Just one time payment for lifetime access, and here a digital store for web developer or app developer. Okay. Open this one. Here atom stock photo pack, and here umbrella bundle 1 and 2. These are high definition files. Here umbrella PNG, and next falling at autumn leaf, rain and water stock photos, rain overlay, close up and rain overlay for photography. Okay, here PST5. Here rain and water stock. Next atom capitals, and here leaf with alphabets. Okay, okay, heart made from leaf, autumn leaf, beach, and here wine, backlight. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Love.